Welcome to CognoKey. Today, we're going to explore something truly amazing, a process that turns your everyday kitchen scraps into a secret weapon for your garden.
So think about this. We're going to explore how you can transform the organic waste from your home into a rich, natural fertilizer. And the secret ingredient? Well, it's a team of very special, tiny gardeners.
All right, first things first. Let's really get into the magic behind this whole process. It all kicks off with a really simple but honestly powerful idea.
So here's the thing. This isn't your everyday composting. It's a team effort, right? You've got microbes and earthworms working together. And that word, aerobic, it just means it needs plenty of oxygen. And guess who helps with that? The worms. As they wiggle around, they're basically keeping the whole thing perfectly aerated.
Okay, take a look at this comparison. It's pretty clear the worms make a huge difference. I mean, they don't just eat the waste. They're like these tiny little plows, grinding it all down. And what comes out is something called vermicasts. Yep, that's basically worm manure, and it is packed with way more nutrients and good microbes than your standard compost. It's not even a competition. And this is why it really matters. You know, it's not just about having a prettier garden, it's about building a healthier planet. Think about it. Every bit of waste you recycle this way is waste that's not ending up in a landfill, creating harmful gases. So it's a win for your garden and a huge win for the environment.
Okay, so who are these star players? Let's meet our little worm workforce and find out exactly what they need to do their best work.
And here he is, the hero of our story, the red wiggler, or Eisenia fetida if you want to get scientific. This little guy is a total composting superstar. It has a massive appetite and reproduces super quickly, turning a whole pile of waste into rich compost in, get this, as little as 45 days. That is just incredibly efficient.
You know, just like us, worms need a balanced diet. We call their food feedstock, which is just a mix of green stuff from your kitchen, like fruit and veggie scraps, and brown stuff like dried leaves or even cardboard. If you can get your hands on some cow dung, that's great too. The main thing to remember is to avoid meat, dairy, and oily foods. And of course, make sure everything is free of nasty chemicals.
Okay, here's a number you absolutely have to remember. 75%. That's the perfect amount of water for your worm bin. Why so specific? Well, worms actually breathe through their skin, and they need it to be moist to do that. If it's too dry, they can't breathe. Too wet, and well, they can drown. So 75%, that's the sweet spot for a happy, productive worm workforce.
All right, now for the really fun part. Let's actually build a home for your new workforce. We call it a vermibed.
Okay, this looks like a lot of steps, but it's actually super simple. You're just creating the perfect little environment. You start with a nice soil foundation, then add a drainage layer so it doesn't get waterlogged. Then, in go the worms. After that, you add their food, that mix of animal waste and dry leaves. Now, the key is to keep the bed nice and moist, especially for the first month, and then cover it up to protect your new friends. Oh, and don't forget to add fresh food scraps a couple of times a week. They get hungry.
Okay, so you've done all that. Now you wait. After about 2 to 3 months, your patience is going to be rewarded with this dark, rich, crumbly treasure. People literally call it black gold. So how do you know when it's ready? You'll see these beautiful, dark, granular little bits, the castings, right on the surface. To harvest it, all you have to do is stop watering for a couple of days. This makes the worms wiggle down to the moist bottom of the bin, which makes it super easy for you to just scoop that finished compost right off the top. So clever. This quote here perfectly sums up what you're looking for. And let me tell you, the smell is a really key indicator. It should have this lovely earthy scent, you know, like a forest floor after it rains. If it smells sour or musty at all, that just means it's not quite done yet. No worries. Just give it a little more time.
So you've harvested your black gold. Amazing! Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits this stuff has for your soil, your plants, and, yeah, the whole planet.
Vermicompost is a total game changer for your soil. I mean, it completely transforms it. It improves the structure, helps it hold on to water, and creates this amazing, thriving home for all the beneficial microbes. It's basically a superfood for your soil.
And oh, your plants will absolutely thank you for it. This compost is just packed with essential nutrients that are super easy for them to absorb. What does that mean for you? Better seed germination, stronger roots, and healthier plants that are way more resistant to pests and diseases.
And this is where we zoom out to the bigger picture. By vermicomposting, you are actively helping to heal our planet. Seriously, every single kitchen scrap you compost is one less piece of waste sitting in a landfill, pumping out harmful methane gas.
It might seem like a small action, but it has a huge impact.
But wait, there's more. The benefits don't even stop with the solid compost. You can also create an amazing liquid fertilizer as a bonus. It's called worm tea.
And you won't believe how easy this is to make. You just steep some of your finished compost in water overnight, kind of like making, well, tea. The liquid that's left over can be sprayed right onto plant leaves. It gives them an extra nutrient boost and helps to naturally keep diseases away. It is a fantastic and totally free fertilizer.
So, what do you think? Are you ready to team up with nature's master recyclers? This simple, low-cost technique offers just incredible rewards for your garden and for our shared environment. It's a really powerful way to make a positive change, right from your own backyard. Thank you so much for joining us at Cognito Key. If you found this explainer helpful, we love it if you like and share this video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights just like this.